Okay, in this last problem, we worked our problem down and we found that it took this amount of time in order for an investment to double if it was being compounded monthly. Now the problem is that this makes no sense to us at all. So we're going to put this in on our calculator and get the correct answer. Now, if you need to pause for just a second to write down our steps, please do so, because whenever I go and pull up my calculator screen, I'm actually going to start right back with this in the parentheses here so that I can get this long number on my calculator. And then I'll go ahead and evaluate it. So if you need to do this first, go ahead and do that, and then you can join us in just a minute. For everybody else that is at this point, I'm going to click on the PC so that I get my calculator screen up here. Now, originally, let me clear that off, we did 1 plus 0.10 divided by 12, and that's where we got that 1.008 with 3 repeating. Okay, now in our final answer, though, our final answer is the natural log of 2. I'm going to close the parentheses because that's all we're taking the natural log of there, divided by, now I'm going to open up a parenthesis because my denominator has more than one thing, and I'm going to type 12 natural log. Now, in order to retain all of the decimals in this exact answer from before, I'm going to do second and then the negative symbol. Now, do you see how on the calculator screen that put A and S? Now I'm going to close the parentheses for the natural log and close the parentheses for the denominator. So whenever we do, we end up with 6.96. Now what that is telling us, let me go back to my screen here. What that's telling us is that it will take 6.96 years in order to double that of investment if we compound monthly. Now in the next one we'll go through and we'll compound continuously and we'll compare those two answers to see how different they are.